What up, YouTube crew? I'm gonna go ahead and change out these side scoops. For some reason or another, I found them on the junkyard from Mach 1, and these are better than the aftermarket ones because I got the clips and they're not two-sided tape. So let's pop this one off real quick. And that's all there is to it. I think it gives the body a better definition than those. Really didn't care for that. But it's going to be painted in the car. We have a small dent down here that's going to get fixed as well. But that's it. It's pretty simple. Like I mentioned, the difference, I see some of these on 6 cylinders, some of these on 8 cylinders. But this I got off of Mach 1 in the junkyard. If anybody knows why they're so different, leave it down in the description. And remember to like the videos and subscribe. Thank you.